Like other organisms, plants are made of cells. Plant cells have cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, plastids, large central vacuole, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, mitochondria, and lysosomes. The cell wall is a rigid layer which is composed of cellulose, glycoproteins, lignin, pectin, and hemicellulose. The plant cell is protected by a cell wall. The cell wall also provides structural support to the cell. In addition, it also filters the molecules passing in and out of the cell. The cell wall is found only in plant cells. Another important structure of plant cell is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. It is composed of a thin layer of protein and fat. The cell membrane regulates the movement of substance into and out of the cell. The cytoplasm is a gelatinous liquid that fills the inside of a cell. It is composed of water, salts, various organic molecules, and different types of organelles. One of the most important structures found in the cytoplasm is the nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound structure that is present only in eukaryotic cells. The main function of a nucleus is to store deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, or hereditary information required for cell division, metabolism, and growth. It also controls the overall activities of the cell. The nucleus consists of nucleolus. The nucleolus is a small, dense spherical structure. The nucleolus is a ribosome production factory. Ribosomes are organelles important for protein synthesis. They are found in the cytoplasm, and some of them are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Among the different types of organelles found in the cytoplasm is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is an organelle consisting of a network of membranes within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes. It's important for protein synthesis. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no ribosomes attached to it. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is important for synthesis and metabolism of lipids or fats. It has also a detoxification function. Golgi body or Golgi complex is an organelle in eukaryotic organisms. It is important in transporting molecules to different parts of the cell. It moves substances from the endoplasmic reticulum to their destination. Among the more complex organelles are the mitochondria. The mitochondria are double-membraned organelles found in all eukaryotic cells. They are important for energy production in the form of adenosine triphosphate or ATP. ATP is energy carrier molecule. Unlike animal cells, plant cells contain plastids. Plastids are double membranous organelles which play a role in manufacturing and storing of food. There are three types of plastids. These are chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Green plants manufacture their own food by the process called photosynthesis. The green colored plastid, chloroplasts, are important for the process of photosynthesis. They contain a green pigment, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that traps sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Ripe fruits and flowers have their own distinctive color. This is because of colored plastids called chromoplasts. Chromoplasts have red, orange, and yellow colored pigments which provide color to all ripe fruits and flowers. Another type of plastids are leucoplasts. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids. They are important for the storage of starch, lipids, and proteins within the plant cell. Plant cells have large and centrally located vacuole. The vacuole is important for storage and sustain the pressure against the cell wall. Lysosomes are membrane-bound vesicles that contain digestive enzymes. The digestive enzymes digest worn-out organelles, nucleic acids, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. In addition, when foreign bodies like viruses and bacteria enter into the cell, they digest these foreign bodies. Please attempt the following questions. List down the parts of a plant cell. Describe the functions of cell wall, chloroplast, and lysosomes. Let's look at the answers for each question. List down the parts of a plant cell. Plant cells contain cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, plastids, large central vacuole, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, mitochondria, and lysosomes. Describe the functions of the following parts of plant cell. Cell wall. The cell wall provides protection and structural support to the cell. It also filters the molecules passing in and out of the cell. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. They are important for the process of photosynthesis. Lysosomes. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes. They digest worn-out organelles, food particles, and foreign bodies in the cell. To summarize, plants, like other organisms, are made up of cells. Plant cells contain cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, plastids, large central vacuole, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, mitochondria, and lysosomes. In general, the different parts of plant cell cooperate and work together to the proper functioning of the whole cell.